This DN50 Pipeline Magnetic Liquid Trap is specially designed for various slurries, liquids and high-flow materials to remove ferrous impurities, helping to improve product purity and production stability. The unit is constructed from 316-liter stainless steel, featuring excellent corrosion resistance and wear resistant, making it particularly suitable for working conditions with high hygiene and anti-corrosion requirements. Built in an inline pipeline structure, which can be directly connected to the production conveying pipelines. Easy to install, compact footprint, with no disruption to regular conveying efficiency. It is equipped with 5 high-strength magnetic rods inside, forming a multi-layer magnetic field interception, ensuring the slurry to fully contact the magnetic area during flow, effectively capturing fine iron powder and iron chips, as well as weakly magnetic impurities, reducing the risk of impurity contamination. The magnetic field strength can reach over 1:00 Gs, ensuring a more stable iron removal effect. It helps manufacturers upgrade product quality, reduce equipment wear and subsequent quality problems.